In this video, we will show you how to replace your electronic throttle body. Let's get started. Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our throttle body. That's going to be located along here. It's directly underneath this plastic cover. We have to remove it. To remove it, right in the center along the back, you're going to find a screw that you can use a 1/4-inch square drive to remove. With that out of the way, we'll continue on to this breather hose. To remove this from the air inlet tube, you'll find a green tab that you can carefully press down and then slide the hose off of the area. Once that's out of the way, continue on along this area. You're going to find a clamp that you can either use a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm socket to loosen this up just enough that we can slide this away from the throttle body. Move along to the back side of the throttle body. You'll find the throttle position sensor. We're going to have to remove the wiring for that. On the back side, there's a red locking tab. Slide that out of place using a small pocket screwdriver. Once you've done that, you're going to try to squeeze back here on the little tab and pull this off. Quick check for corrosion. Set it aside. Continue along the forward side of the throttle body. Once again, there's a red locking tab. Use a small screwdriver, pull that away. Squeeze on the tab and pull the wiring off of the throttle body. Quick inspection for corrosion, set that aside as well. At this point, all we have left to remove the throttle body is 4 8mm headed bolts holding it in place, 2 along the top and 2 directly below them. Remove all 4. Remove your throttle body. There it is, friends. The next thing you want to do is remove the gasket from the area. Set that aside. The next thing you want to do is move along to cleaning up the engine where your throttle body gasket is going to sit. If there's any residue on here, you can also use a flat blade razor to clean it off. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our throttle body assembly. Before you put it against the engine, have a look from the back side. You're going to want to take your gasket. You'll notice on one side of the gasket you have 2 little nubs that protrude out. They need to fit into their corresponding holes on the back side of the throttle body. Press that right in. Now we can take this and line it up with the top of the engine. Start in all 4 of your mounting bolts. Once all of them are started, snug them up. Once they're all snug, torque them to 80 inch-pounds. Once you've torqued them to 80 inch-pounds, continue tightening them an additional 90 degrees, which is essentially a quarter turn. Reconnect your throttle position sensor, listen for a click, lock it in with your red locking tab. Let's move along to the forward connector. Once you click it in, make sure you press in that locking tab as well. Resecure your air inlet to the throttle body. Press it in as far as you can, and then tighten your 8mm headed clamp. Make sure it's completely secure. Move along to your breather hose. For this, you can just press it into place and listen for a click. Give that a tug as well. Let's install our engine cover. Looking at the bottom of the engine cover along the front, you'll find 2 areas, 4 little tabs to squeeze into. On the top of the alternator, there's a bracket. Slide that into place, aligning the tabs. Once you've done that, we're going to align the stud on the back here with the hole in the top of the plate, and then put on our 1/4 inch square headed screw. Okay friends, we fully installed our throttle body assembly. The next thing you need to do is hop inside the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle, let it run. Make sure you don't have a check engine light. Aside from that, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.